Everyone, this is Xiao from Rocky. So today we have this pretty big 355 kilowatt compressor. Here you have the electrical panel. Take a look here, MAM 6090. And once you turn it on, you have a pretty big motor here. This is a three-phase induction motor from Honda, 355 kilowatt, like I said. And then you have air intake there. Gets filtered, gets sucked in. It's the air intake valve, and then gets into the air end. Okay, so this is the Hanbell AB-3300, and this is a screw air end. Gets oil injected, so it gets oil. So the oil gets injected from multiple locations, and then the air gets compressed and gets sent to this thing here. This is an oil and air separator. So air is lighter usually, so the air rises. So as you can see. And this is special design right here for easy maintenance. Most of the time, the design is usually just a cap. So to remove for maintenance, you have to remove every single screw, take everything out. So with this design, you just have to loosen them, and then you can twist open. And very easy for maintenance. Okay, so this is a customized special radiator. As you can see, it's separate from the machine. Usually they're designed together. So what's good about being together is easier for transportation. But the bad thing is your radiator fans, they're in a fixed location. So usually, for example, it's facing this way. And in this case, if this is your wall and all your heat is coming out from this way, is not a good location because the hot air gets sent back. So with this design, you can turn this, for example, this way or maybe the other way, so the heat gets